Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll explore how Excel's flash fill can save you time when working with structured data. We'll use an insurance dataset as our example. On screen, you can see a table already prepared to save time. Column A contains client details, such as name, age, gender, BMI, children, smoking status, location, and insurance price in US dollars, all combined into a single text string. Columns B through I are set up as separate fields, ready to extract each detail from column A automatically with a simple keystroke. Right now, all the information is still in one line per person. To begin, you simply create a pattern for Excel to recognize. As you can see on screen, I've entered the first row by separating the details from the combined text in column A into the individual fields across columns B to I. This example gives Excel the structure it needs to automatically extract and organize the rest of the data. Once the first example is in place, Excel recognizes the pattern. With a quick keystroke, Ctrl+E, the name column is instantly filled. Alternatively, you can select Flash Fill from the Data tab on the ribbon. The same process can then be repeated for gender, BMI, children, smoking status, location, and insurance price. Each column is completed automatically, saving you from repetitive typing. In just a few actions, we've transformed a long string of data into a clean, organized table. Flash Fill detected the structure and did the work for us, turning hours of manual effort into seconds. Quick reminders. Always provide a clear first example so Excel understands the pattern. If the automatic fill doesn't appear, trigger it manually by pressing Ctrl+E or by choosing Flash Fill from the Data tab. Double-check the results, especially when data formats vary. And that's how you can use Flash Fill to break down complex datasets in seconds. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who works with Excel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.